Here's some information you need to know if you get hurt on a construction site. Hi, my name is Chris Earley. I'm an injury lawyer. So if you work construction and you get hurt on a job site, here's some things to keep in mind. First of all, your employer has responsibility to keep the job site safe and secure. There's typically many different parties involved in a construction site. There's the general contractor, many subcontractors. There's a lot of moving parts, literally, on a construction site. If you do get hurt on the job, you have rights. You have workers' compensation. Workers' compensation covers your medical bills, lost time from work, copays, things of that nature. That's workers' comp. Even if you're at fault for causing your work accident, workers' comp gets triggered automatically if you get hurt on the job on a construction site. Now, if you get hurt um, on this job site, you may have another claim, right? So we're talking about one accident happens, you have automatically workers' compensation. You may have as well a third party case. That's generally a negligence case. It doesn't mean you have a negligence case if you get hurt on the job site. But if you get hurt on the job site, in addition to workers' comp, you may have a claim against a third party. That's not your employer. You can't sue your employer in Massachusetts. So if there's a third party company or individual that somehow caused you to get hurt on a job site, you have a third party claim against that company or individual. So these cases can be very complicated. They unfortunately can involve very, very serious injuries because of the nature of the work. I do feel it's important that all construction workers understand their rights, their protections, so they can make the best possible decisions if they're ever involved in an unfortunate accident. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have more questions, make sure you call early before it's too late.